Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about one of the most important parts of our body, our heart. Common heart problems. Millions of people around the world face issues like high blood pressure, heart attacks, blocked arteries, irregular heartbeat. Heart failure, these often happen because of unhealthy lifestyle habits, stress, or sometimes genetics. How to prevent them? The good news is, you can protect your heart. Here's how. Exercise regularly. Even a 30-minute walk makes a big difference. Quit smoking and limit alcohol. Manage stress through meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. Get enough sleep. Your heart needs rest too. Remember, small changes today can give you a stronger heart tomorrow. Take care of your heart. It takes care of you every single day. Foods that are good for your heart. Your diet plays a huge role in keeping your heart healthy. Some of the best foods are oats and whole grains. They help lower cholesterol. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, full of vitamins and minerals. Fatty fish like salmon or tuna, rich in omega-3, great for your heart. Nuts and seeds, small but powerful for heart health. Fruits like berries, oranges and apples, packed with antioxidants.